Hey there everyone, this is Rachel again from Bite Sized Media. I wanted to take this time to really quickly walk through Moz Local. Now, this is a tool that's been out there for a while. Moz is a company based out of Seattle that offers SEO software. They're pretty well known in the SEO industry, and they've been established for a number of years. I'm not sure exactly how many, but at least 5, I would say. And anyways, they have a lot of tools out there, and one of the main tools that we use for our clients, and we work specifically, Bite Size Media works specifically with small business owners, and our niche is kind of working with restaurants and food and beverage companies. And so one of the things that's really important for local businesses is their local listings and how they appear in their local area in which they do business. And so that local visibility is a very important thing for those types of businesses. And one of the tools that we use here at Bite Size Media is Moz Local. And so what I'm going to walk through you today real quick here in this video, it's going to be kind of short, just kind of show you something that you can do on your own if you're doing your own marketing or you don't have the budget to hire somebody to do this. You can easily do this yourself, and I'm going to show you real quick how you can do that. So go to moz.com/local for their tool, and what you're going to do is do a quick little exercise looking up a business. So we're going to look up Bite Size Media, and just to give you a quick warning here, we don't do very good directory listings for ourselves, but we do for our clients. That's something that we don't have a physical location, so it's not as important for us. It's all virtual right now. But for those of you that have a physical location, especially if you have multiple locations, getting your local listings cleaned up in local directories like Google My Business is big. And so that's one of the things that we help clients with, as their online directory listings, make sure they're listed, as well as if there's inconsistencies, we help clean those up as well. And duplications of your business, maybe you had an old address that you never changed in some of your directories and you have a few floating out there. This tool will help you do that. So we're typing in here bite-sized media, and we're going to put our zip code 53220 and click this little button here, check my business listing. And what you can do there is just enter your business name and your zip code, check my listing, and you can see here we are listed on Google My Business. So this is the listing, this is us right here. We're going to click on that, and it's going to take a little bit to load here. And yeah, this is a really great tool. It'll tell you everything. It gives assign you a score out of 100. It says right now we have 41. Tisk for us. And you know, sometimes it might not even get to 100%, but the higher the better. And so what you can see here is this little chart that they nicely put here for you. And it says 41% of our listings are complete, while 45% are incomplete. And you can click on each of these. That's good to get a little bit more information on that. We have 12% inconsistent and duplicates. And so, as you can see here, old addresses we have actually, yep. So I had my business at multiple locations working out of my home, and I have my old addresses listed in there. So I got to clean those up. So it tells you right there what you need to do. Inconsistent, it can say here that you have multiple listings. So that's a little confusing. I used to go under Rachel How Consulting and also How Digital Media and Design. And so it's telling me that I need to clean that up because they're duplicated or inconsistent. And so if you see something in here, you plug in your business and you see that you have the same issue as we see here for us, you're going to want to click on, and you're ready to go ahead and fix these and clean these up, because doing that will improve your local visibility for sure. You click on Improve with Moz Local, and what you can do is update all your information, make sure it's accurate. They'll ask you for your homepage. They'll ask you for some more categories for your business, and then you'll go ahead and choose your package. and they offer, I believe, 3 package options, and one, basically you pay $99 a month for a year for their lowest package, and then they also add a couple add-ons that you can have for like Google My Business tracking, which is very good if you have a Google My Business listing, which if you have a location and you're very customer focused, you should. And it'll give you some extra data on that, which I would encourage checking out. So I'm not sure why this is not working here. We got address unit. I don't think we need anything in there. Then URL. And got the category and choose package. Let's try this one more time. I'm not sure why it's not going through there. Address suite, we don't need that. And we got the URL and the category and choose package. Let's see if we need add another category perhaps. Let's see, my business, maybe local business will work. I'm not sure. Or marketing consultant. Yeah, I'm not sure why it's just sitting there. Let's try and put in my address here. Suite number. .com. Right, homepage. Got that. Maybe we'll try doing the category again here. So bear with me. I'm not sure why it's just hanging out here. Maybe we need to just restart all over again. Try this in another browser or another tab. Oopsies. Moz Local, and let's see if we can get that working. Just plug in the business again here, bite-sized media, and the address, and check my listing, and I'm going to click the same one, and we're going to click improve with Moz Local, and it should work this time, hopefully. Well, anyways, I guess it's giving us some issues. I'm not really sure what is going on, but usually, you know, if you don't have a suite or nothing like that, you just make sure you have your home page and your category in there, and choose your package, and you'll get taken to this landing page where you have 3 options to choose from, and one being $99 per year to basically you'll be able to go in there, and if we can go back to the other screen. You'll be able to go in here and fix each of these, and basically it'll repopulate, so you can see your update listing for the Google Plus, and you can also go here for the Yelp. I believe this is Yelp. Yep, update listing there, and what you'll be able to do is update each of these and resubmit basically your listing to the local directories and the major data aggregators, and you can track and see over time the progress and see as your score hopefully should be going up as you look to clean that up. And so yeah, that's a quick overview of Moz Local. So if you want to check your business listings and see if you're how you're doing out there, I recommend going to moz.com/local, plugging in your business and your address or your zip code, and check your listings. And if you ever have any questions or trouble with doing that, or maybe you're just looking for somebody to help you, Bite-Sized Media will be more than happy to help you with that. And so you can visit us at bite-sizedmedia.com and learn a little bit more about us and check us out. And that wraps up our video today. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.